the draw today. The draw procedure is simple. We have 2 pots, pot A, pot B. We'll have another pot C and D. But to begin with, we have the 2 pots, pot A and pot B, which has 4 teams each. So we'll draw pot A first and then pot B. Teams in pot A will host the teams in pot B. So, Oburu.
Kuta Collection FC.
Kuta Collections, the only non-league club still in the tournament.
Shabana FC.
They'll play Shabana FC, winners against Moroni United. Kuta Collection versus Shabana FC. That's a good one. Our third match of the round of 16.